This is not mere daydreaming or fantasies. This is order, the structural sequence, the fixed principle that cause precedes physical effect without exception. This is the 7-minute daily focus, day 52 of 365. Today's focus, the law of order. This is not mere daydreaming or fantasies. This is order, the structural sequence, the fixed principle that cause precedes physical effect without exception. Order is law. Order is not indecisive. Order is not uncertain. Order is not circumstance. Order is the certainty that the metaphysical governs the physical. The metaphysical world is primary. The physical world is secondary. The secondary does not instruct the primary. It reflects it. Pause for a moment. Sense the structure. Cause stands behind. Effect stands in front. The seed determines the fruit. Without negotiation, without exception. When order is understood, reaction quiets, confusion reduces, because you no longer argue with sequence, you align with it. Disorder is not randomness, it is misalignment with sequence. It is attention fixed on effect while neglecting cause. It is fruit examined while the seed is ignored. The law of order restores clarity. It returns you to origin. It returns you to authorship. It returns you to the unseen field where structure is formed. Order does not rush. Order does not panic. Order does not react to reports. Order approves deliberately and allows sequence to unfold. Therefore, think from cause. Approve from the unseen. Stabilize the seed. Let the fruit follow, because fruit always follows. Look carefully at how order operates in every visible structure around you. A building does not begin with walls. It begins with measurement. A symphony does not begin with sound. It begins with notation. A harvest does not begin with fruit. It begins with planting. Order is always present before expression. It is embedded in sequence long before it is celebrated in outcome. When you observe nature, you witness order without argument. The seasons do not debate their arrival. The tide does not question its return. The sunrise does not negotiate with the horizon. Sequence is honored. Structure is maintained. Cause precedes effect faithfully. This same law governs your inner and outer life. Confusion enters only when sequence is reversed, when the effect is treated as the cause. When appearance is treated as authority, when reaction replaces inner action, the law of order corrects this reversal. It reminds you that nothing physically visible is self-originating. Nothing physical is self-governing. Everything seen is responding. Order also implies continuity. It is not a single thought held briefly. It is a pattern sustained deliberately. It is alignment maintained long enough for sequence to complete itself. Impatience disrupts perception. Steadfast alignment preserves it. When you remain consistent behind, the front must reorganize accordingly. To live in order is to think structurally. It is to recognize that every repeated thought is laying the foundation. Every sustained approval is a reinforcing architecture. Every deliberate focus is strengthening the framework. Over time, the unseen pattern gains weight, and what carries weight inwardly must gain visibility outwardly. Order eliminates drama, because drama feeds on reaction. Order feeds on clarity. Drama amplifies effect. Order returns to cause. Drama asks why this happened. Order asks what was approved. One reacts to surface. The other governs structure. When you stabilize inward order, you create composure. Composure is not passivity. It is alignment with sequence. It is confidence in structure. It is certainty that what is planted must emerge, not instantly, but inevitably. The law of order does not require strain. It requires recognition. It requires agreement with structure. It requires that you cease arguing with sequence and begin cooperating with it. When you cooperate with order, energy becomes focused. When energy is focused, sequence becomes clear. When sequence is clear, translation proceeds without confusion. This is maturity in thinking, not chasing effect, not resisting appearance, but returning consistently to cause, planting deliberately, approving consciously, holding steadfastly, allowing order to complete what it has begun. The law of order is simple. What is held inwardly must arrange outwardly. What is structured behind will stand physically visible in front. Affirmation for day 52. I align with order. I think from cause. I approve deliberately. The metaphysical governs the physical. The seed determines the fruit. What stands behind appears in front without exception.